All right. I'm looking at the dollar, at Bitcoin right now as we head into the closing bell here. Bitcoin is down slightly, and there are so many people already in 2018 who want to ride the cryptocurrency wave but are just too afraid to dive in completely. Here's Bitcoin, $14,868 right now. Guess what? Of all things, the old school Dow may have an easy fix for you, one that lets you buy a stock and then get the Bitcoin-related information for free. We bring in our buddy Chris Bertelsen. He's the president and CIO of Aviance Capital Management. Which Dow stock is it?
IBM, Liz, no question about it. 13.5 times earnings, 3.9% yield, and yes, you buy one, which is their mainframe business, and look what you get free. You get blockchain, you get AI, and you get the cloud. So how can you resist?
It is toggling between General Electric as the best performer on this Dow 25,000 day. Do you think some of that has to do with the fact that people are now looking through a different prism at IBM and seeing, well, maybe it's not so old school and left behind?
Absolutely. I think at these prices, they're realizing that after 20-plus quarters of no growth, this company has actually made a turn, and Gina Rometty is doing a great job. It's interesting to note that the up Dow stocks are all the dogs of the Dow here, so maybe we're seeing a change.
Yeah, from worst to first. Warren Buffett, though, famously sold about a third of his IBM shares in November. Is he smarter than you, or is he got some very bad timing here?
He's very much smarter than I am. However, you know,
don't sell yourself short, Chris.
Warren Buffett, he doesn't publish his performance numbers, unlike us mortals in the investment business that live and die by it. So, you know, he has a little different standard.
Tell me what you think overall will continue to drive this market, if at the same pace or more quickly than what we saw in 2017, because we've gotten off to a roaring start for these first three sessions of 2018.
Yes, I would say the one caution would be that it's going to be a back and forth between a more Fed that actually is more bullish and the earnings. And if you have a Fed that raises 3 or 4 times, I think it's going to be a war between the two. And certainly my view is that the earnings will win. We should be up 9 to 10%. I think we could do maybe 140 on the S&P for earnings. So that calculates out to, you know, somewhere around the 3,000 on that, and 27.5 on the Dow.
Interestingly, we blasted through 2,700 for the S&P, which was many people's 2018 forecast. Chris, great to see you. He's a bull on IBM because it relates to blockchain. Folks, take it right now in, and you can see on your screen the money flying. The Dow is about to close above 25,000 for the first time ever. We also have record finishes galore, including the small cap Russells and the Dow Transports with very low volatility on this Thursday. That'll do it for the Claimant Countdown. I'll see you tomorrow.